Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. From the bottom of your heart, I'm greeting you, all you creative beings around the world. Have you ever known that when you raise your hands like that, you cannot be unhappy? That's a fact, and this fact is true. Observe this for yourself. It is a very gift from nature, a very special gift. So, do you have problems in your life? No. Okay, I've known that. So, if you have no problems, then please stop that video. If you have some or the other problems in your life, then feel heartily free to continue this video. So what to do with those problems? You know what? What is a very, very funny game with problems? You can put them for some time aside. Yes, you can do that. You are allowed to do that. Really, really, you are allowed to put your problems for some times away. Yes, feel invited to that. And in soul painting workshops, we have the funny thing sometimes that in a round at the beginning of the workshop, we put out a problem bag and say, okay, here we are. We have here a special bag for problems. So please put your problems, all your problems which are rising in your head right now, put these problems in that bag. And after a week, look, if you want to have it back, then you get it back. And if you do not want to have these problems back, then we will get it to our river. We will give it to Mother Earth. And this is a very, very good thing to step back sometimes from your problems. We all have problems. And it's like a diet, you know, it's a mind diet. When we are not thinking of these problems, then sometimes it is that they resolve, that they from itself, from the existence or from life, they vanish away. So try it. Put them in a bag. Then, not this bag, so that they cannot jump out. Put this bag in a garage or somewhere where you do not see. And if you have, then after it, if you think about that problem, then you can tell the problem, I'm not the right address. You are not here anymore. I'm not the right person at the moment, so please go away. I allow you to go away. I'm not the right person. then after a special time that you say, okay, after 10 days, after 7 days, whenever you want, you feel, you make it in the beginning. You say whether I will take that problem back or I release all these problems to Mother Earth. And here is an important fact. You see, so many people saying yes, but we cannot give our problems every time to Mother Earth. We hurt Mother Earth with this so much. And here are some facts about that. We are 7 million people on this earth, okay? And Mother Earth is so big that inside of Mother Earth is 450 million or billion, I forgot, magma. A huge amount of magma. This magma does that. It is a fire. You imagine it is a big fire inside of Mother Earth. When we give these problems to Mother Earth, what will Mother Earth do? Mother Earth will burn it. And everything which is burnt will be transformed. So we are not able to harm Mother Earth. So please feel free to give your problems to Mother Earth. And also another fact is that from the elements, fire is the more purest. Fire is the more strongest element. So inside of Mother Earth, there is a big fire. Hey, I wish you a wonderful time and a great day ahead.